What is the FIO token? Finally, we get to the native FIO protocol's token. Its utility token allows users to pay for their transactions on FIO-enabled products, register their FIO crypto handles, vote for block production, and earn rewards by staking. Let's move on to the token use cases and tutorials. How to get FIO tokens. First of all, it's easy to get FIO tokens. They can be claimed through indirect payments with other popular cryptocurrencies. It can be done on popular cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, Bitrue, Bitmart, SuperX, Huobi, and others, as well as bought directly on the FIOprotocol.io platform. How does a user do that? One can simply register on FIOprotocol.io, log in, and go to the tab FIO tokens on the dashboard. Here we can see that a user has 0 FIO tokens, but there is a blue button that says Get Now. Click on it and complete the process using any offered methods. After that, you can use the tokens in any way you want, perhaps staking? How to stake FIO tokens. Users can stake their FIO tokens on the dashboard too. It's also possible to use many different FIO-enabled wallets. A list of them can be found on the FIO protocol's website. I will explain the process using a Moonstake wallet. Moonstake is either a web or a mobile app wallet that can be downloaded from the Google App Store. Initially, the FIO token will not be visible on the wallet, so users must click Add New Asset, find the FIO token and add it. Then, the FIO tokens become visible and the FIO protocol dashboard can be found. From there, users can stake their tokens for an unlimited amount of time. If they want to unstake them, they will remain locked for 7 more days. How to use FIO tokens for paying for FIO services. There are more things users can do with their FIO tokens. For example, the token can be used to pay for FIO crypto handle and domain registration fees, as well as additional transaction fees if the user goes over the 100 transactions bundle offered for free with every newly registered FIO crypto handle. It's simple to pay for fees with FIO tokens from the dashboard. If you find yourself in a situation where you go over the 100 bundled transactions, you can simply go to the FIO Crypto Handles tab on your dashboard and click on the plus sign next to bundles. There, you can purchase more transactions using the FIO tokens, if you have them. That is all about the FIO protocol, the ultimate interoperability protocol of Web3.